Hello everyone. So today I'm just gonna make a quick review. This is the third time I'm making this video. So the first and second didn't have any audio, so I'm so pissed off myself. So I bought this item. It's a vehicle shade. So I bought this one to get some shade because it's too bright outside. And the purpose why I bought this is because when I'm having my break, so I kind of wanted to have some, a little bit snooze, something like that. But I can't do it because it's too bright outside, so I kind of wanted to shade. So this is what I got. I already installed it, and I made a review earlier, and as I said, it didn't have an audio, so I'm making again. So it's already installed, and this is what it looked like. Here it is. It's a vehicle shade. I got this on Temu. Ooh, Temu. A lot of people are scared about Temu, but it's worth the risk and it's worth the money. It's not expensive. It's quite cheap actually. So it does the job. So I can't complain. So if you have, please let me know and comment down below if you have one. So yeah, it does the job. So it's all good.